All right, this time we're gonna make a rocket with vinegar and baking soda, and it's gonna go right on this cork. And first what we gotta do is put, get some baking soda. We're gonna put that on here. And then vinegar into the rockets. It only goes into one bottle like that. Okay, so for this part here, we're just gonna make a little tray to hold the baking soda, like that. It's gotta be pointed so that it can go into the. All right, so we're gonna get that on there without getting the reaction to start. Okay. All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Boom. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, it's gonna hit me.